Hey, Chasten Boyett here with Red River Roofing, Siding and Windows. I'm over here at the Siding and Windows shop, and we pulled out our beautiful display that we built here that shows you what insulation looks like in your home, in your attic, and it also has proper ventilation. This is ridge vent up here. Proper design and maintenance of your attic is vital to the overall health and energy efficiency of your home. This includes proper ventilation and insulation to help control the moisture and temperature of your home, as well as a minimum of 13 inches of insulation in your attic. And that's the building code recommendation. The Department of Energy actually recommends R60, which is almost 20 inches of insulation. But just by having the 13 inches will dramatically improve the energy efficiency and health of your home. Insulation actually works as a barrier to mitigate the release of heat through your home, through your attic, right? So this slows that down, which allows your house to maintain that heat inside. If you're noticing in the summer and winter months that your AC or your heat is constantly running, that's a red flag for you either having improper ventilation or inadequate insulation. So an immediate red flag if you're inspecting into your attic is if you can see your rafters. Most rafters are 2x8s. So if you can see the rafters in your attic, you don't have adequate insulation. Again, the building code recommends a minimum of 13 inches for adequate insulation. If you're noticing any of these red flags or experiencing high energy bills, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Red River Roofing, Siding and Windows. Our office number is 405-330-0025. We would love the opportunity to serve you.